What if the answers to your health, nourishment, and well being were waiting just beyond your doorstep? Hidden in the forest, nestled in the meadows, thriving along the riverbanks. Nature has provided for us all along, but somewhere along the way, we forgot how to listen. At the Maine Primitive Skills School, we invite you to reclaim the knowledge of your ancestors and rediscover the wild abundance around you. Our foraging courses are more than just plant identification. It's an immersive experience that will change the way you see the world. From stinging nettles in the spring to acorns in the fall, you'll learn to identify, harvest, and prepare wild foods that have nourished humans for generations. Discover the medicinal properties of plants growing right in your backyard. Learn to forage ethically and sustainably in harmony with the land. Gain hands-on skills in wild food preparation, from teas and tinctures to full meals. Explore our apothecary and create your own herbal remedies. Experience the deep satisfaction of gathering your own food. Whether you're an herbalist, healer, homesteader, outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone seeking a deeper connection with nature, this course will transform the way you interact with the world around you. Step into the wild. Reawaken your instincts. Join us at the Maine Primitive Skills School and rediscover the skills that were once second nature. Nature is waiting. Are you ready to listen?